How to add audio spectrum in CapCut application. In CapCut, the audio spectrum is a visual effect that displays audio frequencies in real time as an animated waveform or a spectrum that moves along with the sound. It essentially shows different frequency bands like bass, mid, and treble in dynamic bars or waves. To add audio spectrum on CapCut video, first of all you have to make sure that you have updated version of CapCut application. Once you check that, the very next step you need to do is simply launch CapCut application and choose a video in which you want to add audio spectrum. From there, at the bottom you will see sticker option available. Simply tap on that. From there, on the searching bar, search for audio spectrum. Now you can see a variety of audio spectrum. You just have to choose it and settle wherever you want on your video. Once you place it, hit on the export from the top right corner and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily add audio spectrum in CapCut application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.